My name is Catriona MacLean and I am from Leverborough in South Harris. I grew up there and Gaelic was a part of our family life, and I was completely fluent by the time I went to school, and in fact I probably had very little English, and it was more a case of learning English when I went to school than learning Gaelic. I don't feel that that disadvantaged me in any way at all. It wasn't a problem. In our class there was 6 of us and 5 of us were completely fluent at the time of going to school and 1 wasn't, and we're all still best friends, but the one that wasn't fluent, she soon became fluent. Her parents weren't Gaelic speakers either, but with a lot of help and support from the school and other kind of fellow parents, they managed to support her through her primary journey, and we all became best Gaelic speaking friends. And I don't think that I certainly don't think that she was at any disadvantage by not having the Gaelic amongst us. Was totally fluent all through primary, went through secondary, did Gaelic up to advanced higher level, went to college, did a 2-year Gaelic course. I had intended to do the degree, but I then got this job that I'm in just now. I'm a broadcast journalist with BBC Alapa. We provide the news service for radio and television, Radio na Gael and BBC Alapa, and it's all done through the medium of Gaelic, it being a Gaelic channel. There's lots of opportunities being thrown my way because I am a Gaelic speaker. I definitely wouldn't have had this job, if I wasn't a Gaelic speaker. But that's not to say, if you are a Gaelic speaker, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to go into a Gaelic speaking job, but I do believe it will put you at an advantage in any kind of interview situation, or if you're having to try and sell yourself to someone. I honestly think there's no question that if somebody's going to see that you are a Gaelic speaker, obviously as well as an English speaker, I think people will look favourably upon that. I don't feel that it caused any problems when I was younger. Kind of as regards in the playground with school friends, it wasn't an issue. Kind of if one was a Gaelic speaker and one wasn't, we all got on well. I think now as well there's so much support available to parents of children in Gaelic medium units, even if the parents aren't Gaelic speakers. And as was even proven 20 years ago, I think, when I was in school, it is possible, and something really good can come out of it. I would thoroughly recommend Gaelic medium education to any parent who is maybe having to take the decision just now whether to enrol their child in mainstream or Gaelic medium education. I definitely was not at any disadvantage, and it only ever, as far as I can see, and I know my parents would agree, it only ever brought advantages. And as my job today shows, it's brought a lot of opportunities as well as advantages. And I definitely think it's the way forward, I would say, for education in the Western Isles and further afield.